We started some chicken eggs and turkey eggs in the incubator last night. Chicken eggs are incubated for 21 days. They take a little longer sometimes. Turkey eggs are 28 days, and they could be a little later or a little earlier than that. This depends on temperature and humidity in your incubator. And don't be fooled by this. It's had a lot of incubation times, but it's a good incubator. And with them, I don't have an egg turner, so I have to hand turn them. Several times. I think it's like 3 times a day that I usually do it for the first 18 days or 10 days. You try to put your cleanest eggs in the incubator. That helps out. You try to keep it as humid as possible, around about, I like to do about 55% humidity. And I have little paper towels in here that I wet to keep the humidity up. Because if not, then the humidity does not stay up very well. Yeah. So we shall see the progress of these. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see that, but set at 99 degrees. It goes between 99 and 99.5. We're on day 28 countdown. 46% humidity. I like to keep it between 45 and 55. And yeah, there they are, all in there. I think I have 12 chicken eggs and 4 turkey eggs. Here's a Polish chicken baby in there, if it'll focus. You can see it moving. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. It's like wiggling. All the veins. Yep. Right in the middle.
It's moving.
Little dark spot in its head.
Its eyeballs.
It's so tiny and cute. In the same way.
There's an Easter egger one. It's kind of hard to see through it, but you can see the baby.
And the veins
and all the veins.
Like, there's tons of veins. There's tiny veins. Big darts, the dark spots, little baby.
There's another one. It's an Easter egger one.
Is one of my chickens in there?
What?
Is one of the chickens that I call caramels
She's Easter egger, yeah.
One of her eggs are in there.
This one's not as active.
Yeah, that's the last.
Not as the little Polish.
Yeah.
That's in there. There's another one. It's another Easter egger one. It's either a blue or a green egg.
Can't tell by the light.
There's a baby in there. It's moving a little bit.
Yeah.
This is day 5, I think.